Okay, Mike, I'm just showing the outlet here with the sprinkler control panel. Willie's here to help. Say hi, Willie. Say hi. Okay, he's just gonna smile. So there's the outlet. Here's the plug running to this lamp I've got set up. As you can see, the lamp is powered. Here's the outlet. The green light shows that the GFI is working. If I pick up the plug and plug that in for the sprinkler, as far as I can tell, there's no damage to the wire, and the wire seems to be plugged in just fine. So I kind of reattached this to the wall. If I do the water now button, I'm not seeing anything on the display. I'm not seeing any kind of on-off, except for the water. When I change the dial, there's nothing happening. As far as I can see, there's no on-off button for the system. So yeah, that's where I'm at. It plugs in, doesn't seem to be getting anything to happen.